welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to pace yourself during wedding planning. So stick around and let's learn together. My name is Oluwadara. I'm the founder of Eventigo, an event planning company in Nigeria. And today I'm going to be talking about, I know that one of the things that comes with wedding planning is stress. And then most of that stress actually comes from not being able to properly pace yourself. So as a bride or as the groom or as the maid of honor, many things, there are the issues we have is we have so many things to do within a short period of time. And because you have a lot of family members, if it's a typical Nigerian wedding, they have a lot of family members saying, have you done this, have you done that, because there are particular things that are important to different family members. So it can be a lot when you are not paced, and then it just feels, sometimes feels as though, oh, I've covered many grounds, and sometimes like I've not even covered any ground. So this would help you talking about this topic, how to pace yourself, is going to help you properly plan, so you don't put yourself under a lot of pressure when it comes to wedding planning, especially planning a Nigerian wedding. So one of the things that would help is actually having a checklist or having a planner. So I'm not talking about a wedding planner now. Having a wedding planner is like the perfect thing for you to do. But if you are not able to get a wedding planner, then this would also help you. Trying this would also, or doing this would actually also help you. So having a planner, that is a wedding planner book. So you have like, you can then list out the different aspects of the wedding. If you have a good wedding planning book or wedding planner or a wedding planning journal, I'm not sure mine would be ready at the time of the posting this video, but whenever it comes out, I'm just going to put the link in the description below, and you can check it out and then download it and use that template for your wedding planning. But having a good wedding planner, you have then list out the different aspects of your wedding. So the venue, the food, the drinks, the clothes, accessories, vehicle, transportation, accommodation, all of those things, you list them out. And then you begin to your decorator, your photographer, your videographer, all of those vendors, or all the different vendors that you will need. Then you can now begin to prioritize. Who am I supposed to get first? So if I have, for example, if I have 3 months to plan, I'm 3 months away from my wedding, what are the priority lists for me? What are the things I can get done now that I must get done now? What are the things that I can get done, say a week to my wedding, 2 weeks to my wedding? I'm sure that you would not argue with me that getting a wedding dress 1 week to your wedding will put you under a lot of pressure. So it's one of those things that you have to do like quickly. Sometimes you have your ashoke, your traditional outfits for both the bride and the groom. You need to book it down way ahead, especially if they're going to be making it from scratch. So you have to do all of those things way ahead. So those ones will be top of the list, and then you can now begin to think, oh, I've done this, I've done that, I've done that, so that you don't have a situation where you have particular family members coming. For example, maybe your mother-in-law just calls you. I was like, how far the caterer? And you're like, I've not booked her. And you leave every other thing you're doing because you want to sort out the catering. But if you've been able to pace yourself, if you've been able to write that checklist or have that template to say this and this and this and this are what I need to do, and then I can now prioritize, oh, I need to do this a month before my wedding, I need to do this 2 months before my wedding, at least 3 months before my wedding. Then you are not put under a lot of pressure trying to lump everything together, because in the process of lumping everything together, you will miss out certain details, and then just later realize, oh, I haven't gotten my wedding ring. And so all of those things can actually be taken out using, if you try this trick. So it's a trick that you can use for your wedding. So I'm going to also leave in the description below a link to a downloadable checklist that will help you. So that will be free. and you can just download it and use that template for your wedding planning. So if this has helped you, remember to like this video if you like it or you find it interesting or you've learned anything. Let me know what you've learned in the comment section or how this video is going to help you. Also, if you have particular wedding related things you want to talk about or questions you have relating to weddings, relating to events, please let me know in the comment section below and I will be glad to treat those topics. So thank you. Hit the bell notification button before you leave so you get notified every time I put out a content on this platform, which is going to be weekly. So you have weekly updates on events, you have weekly updates on weddings and many other things that will make your life easy. So thank you once again and bye bye.